Welcome to the Transparent FX Academy. If you're new to the channel, I'm Nick and I've been a top author on TradingView for many years, as well as being one of the only traders with a fully verified MyFX book track record. So if you want to elevate your trading, you're definitely in the right place. So subscribe to the channel, and without further ado, let's jump right into it. So take a second, pause the video, read the disclaimer, and I will see you on the charts. In this video, I'll speak about NZDUSD. Now, as usual, to keep the video as educational as possible, first I'll give you the technical aspect for this market, then I'll move to the commitment of traders analysis to see what institutions in the market are doing and how they're moving and shifting their orders, and then I'll put together these two different types of analysis. So this is definitely a video you do not want to miss. Now, starting here from the monthly time frame, what we can see is that at the moment we have a market which is testing a quite significant historical monthly demand and support zone. In fact, from here, all these previous rejections to the upside were created. So this is a strong historical monthly demand and support zone, which the market has just tested. And when you are seeing the market test such a strong historical zone, what you expect, obviously, is to see a rejection to the upside. And that is exactly what the market is currently doing. We can see that the market has already rejected this level to the upside. So let's keep this in mind and drop down on the weekly time frame. Now, on the weekly, what we can see is that in rejecting this level to the upside, the market has also printed a bearish pattern, because what we can see is that we had the impulse to the downside, which went and tested that monthly demand and support. We then had the start of this correction. The market tried going lower, failed, and now started the rejection to the upside. So essentially, we had the creation of this W formation. Now, I spoke about W formations many times in the past. I'm sure you have seen them also play out in the market over and over again. When you see such a pattern, what you expect after that is a break lower and completion of the pattern at the neckline, which is the previous resistance turned support. And so this means that since we are having this pattern, there is an increased probability of seeing short-term bearish price action for the market to go and retest the previous resistance turned support, which is also the completion level of the pattern itself. Just a quick interruption. Let me know in the comments below any new pairs or topics that you would like me to cover in my next videos, because I'm always open to suggestions. Let's keep that in mind and drop down on the daily time frame. Now, from a daily perspective, this is where things get really interesting. Now, what we can notice is a massive impulse to the upside. Now, in all this impulse, there is no correction, which means that the market at some point will become overextended to the upside, because no market can just go up in a straight line. Every market after an impulse needs a correction. And in this case, that would be perfect, because the correction would also complete the weekly pattern in this case, which means that if we want to identify a first potential target to the downside, what we simply have to do is take our Fibonacci from the low to the high of the impulse leg here on the daily, and we can see that the daily correction target is also lining up perfectly with the neckline of the W formation that we have identified on the weekly time frame, which means that this is a confluence area. And since there is a confluence zone, the market should be attracted to this area as a strong liquidity zone to go and test what kind of liquidity there is inside of the area. Usually, areas like this act as a magnet for the price. Now, let's go and see what we have when it comes to the commitment of traders, so what the big players and institutions in the market are doing. Now, the first thing that we have to keep in mind is that if we are looking at the data for the NZD, we are actually already looking at NZDUSD, because all currencies on the spot are traded against the USD. And what we can see is that net positions have been dropping massively. We went from a positive net positioning with 4.9k net positions, meaning that we had more longs than shorts on NZDUSD from an institutional perspective, with 18,000 longs compared to 14,000 shorts. Now we're seeing the complete opposite. So a negative net positioning, meaning more shorts than longs, 61k shorts compared to 25k longs, meaning that institutions have moved back to the bearish side for NZDUSD, making it weaker. Now, this increases the probabilities that we might definitely see the potential completion here of this W formation and retest of this liquidity zone. So in a situation like this, what would I expect? And by the way, if you still haven't, make sure to join my free Telegram channel, which you find linked in description so you never miss new updates. Now, back to the analysis. So in a situation like this, what would I expect? Well, as usual, and as my students know very well, trading is reactive and not predictive. The monthly, weekly, and daily timeframes combined with the COT data, those are the best timeframes when it comes to the directional aspect of the market. However, when it comes to identifying early shifts in the trend of a market, the best timeframes for that are the intraday timeframes, so 4 hour and lower. Therefore, what I would expect is that if this market would shift from an intraday bullish to a bearish market, I wouldn't be surprised to see a potential rejection to the downside for the market to go and complete this W formation at the neckline, which is also the previous daily resistance turned support. That definitely wouldn't surprise me. Now, everything that you see me share here on YouTube is just the tip of the iceberg. In fact, if you want to learn more, I really suggest that you head over to my website, which you find linked in description. Here, you have the possibility to gain access to the best mentorship program in the world. You can get all my courses ranging from the very basics of charting all the way to the more advanced topics. You also have the possibility to gain access to the trading station software with the Telegram notification integrations, one-on-one private mentoring directly with me, the COT data software, which is the software that you often see me use in my analysis, and you also have the possibility to gain access to the entertaining live trading show. So essentially a live stream of all my trades as they're happening live every day. So my entries, exits, how I manage the positions, all streamed live every single day essentially in this Telegram channel, which is obviously private just for members. You also have the possibility to gain access to all my EAs. So essentially all my strategies, which you can then customize to your own preference. And here you see breakdowns of each and every one of my strategies, including a 10-year historical backtest of the strategy on high quality tick data. So essentially backtested on live charts. So basically, I would suggest that you go and check these ones out. And if you continue to scroll down past the testimonials, you will see that you have the possibility to join and gain automatically access with the email and password that you will create during the checkout process. So I really suggest to at least go and check it out. The link is in the description and I will see you in it. If you enjoyed the video, make sure that you drop a like and a comment. It really helps with the creation of new free analysis and education. And I will see you in my next video.